Good morning, friends. As received by suggestions by many friends, let me do the analysis in a visualization way. Let us start with derivatives data. As per yesterday's trading, the derivatives data were neutral to negative because the closing was below max pain level and max pain level also decreased to 20,000, so which is negative sign. Open interest put call ratio of bank nifty also decreased to 0.90. It is also a negative sign. The closing was around VWAP of 19,931. So we can say from this angle it was neutral. So derivatives data were neutral to negative. Now let us see the technical data. Technical data deteriorated yesterday because the weekly RSI came down below 40, but good part is the ADX is falling. That means we are not trending, and the higher time frame when it is not non-trending, then we generally have a sideways volatile movement. So weekly RSI closed below 40, but the ADX is falling. Weekly RSI shows the momentum on the short side increase from mild to moderate. Now let us see the daily chart. Few days back I explained to you all that in correction we have to see the bank nifty gets support around the 21-day moving average or not. Yesterday again second time in a row bank nifty traded around 21-day moving average and just closed below it. Second part is the RSI. The daily RSI, which was in long momentum, has now entered into neutral. It is now 49.6, so between 45 and 55. But here the ADX is also flat. So second higher time frame is also showing non-trending movement. Now the difference between daily and weekly RSI remains 10. So my strength RSI for daily is 49.6 plus 10 is around 60, just below 60. So strength RSI is also entering into neutral zone from the long zone. It needs to sustain above 60 to remain in the long zone. Now let us see the hourly chart. Hourly chart is trading around the 200 days 200 moving average, which is around 19,844. See the broader picture. Bank Nifty rise in a very short span all the way from around 17,000 to 20,800 in a very short span, and now it has consumed almost similar candles and is trading sideways but in a broad range from 20,000 or 21,600. It has corrected all the way up to 19,500, and this clearly shows a sideways consolidation zone. Here the RSI closed in the short category around 40, but here again the ADX is flat. So when the ADX is flat, this again suggests the non-trending movement. So weekly ADX is falling, daily ADX is flat, and hourly ADX is also flat. Weekly RSI around 40, daily RSI around 50, and hourly RSI also around 40. So overall, it is more in the favor on the short side. But the daily strength RSI is still around 60. So it will be interesting to see in today's trading where we closes. If we can close again uh, above 55 in daily RSI, and if that hourly RSI can close above the daily RSI, currently the difference is big, around 40 and 50, so difference is of 10 point. But if that can happen, considering the up move in Dow yesterday, if that can happen, then we can consider that resumption of the up move. Otherwise, we will continue to have non-trending sideways movement. Now let us see the smaller time frame. This is 15-minute chart. This picture I have taken to understand the larger picture. As we discussed in the hourly chart, same is here. The Bank Nifty in a very short span rise from 17,200 although all the way up to 21,600 and is now uh, correcting and consolidating in a upper range of 21,600 to 19,900 or 19,600. Here again in the 15-minute chart, the ADX is flat and the RSI, 15-minute RSI, is also in the neutral region, but it is above the hourly RSI. Red is hourly RSI, green is 15-minute, and black is daily RSI. So we can say that all the four RSI are in a very small range. When this thing happens, when all the RSIs are together, they cannot remain together, then we can have a trending move or a big move in any direction. So get ready for it. Currently the 15-minute RSI is above our hourly RSI, but the hourly RSI is below daily RSI. See, yesterday there were four candles, almost identical candles, one green followed by one red, second green followed by second red. This suggests the indecisiveness of the players and absent of dominant player. So we can expect a dominant player to arrive in the market very soon. Let us see where the dominant player wants to take this market to. So far, the derivatives data are neutral to negative and technical data deteriorated than yesterday. Wish you all the best. Thank you.